Hello, today we're going to work on a new lesson. There are 3 vocabulary words that we need to know before we start the lesson. Number 1 is timeline. Timeline is a line that shows what order things happen. The first part is time, so that shows the order, and then it's in a line. This is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to make a timeline. Number 2, the word is route. Route. Route is a way to get from one place to another. So a route could be a road or a path, or it's the line that people take if they're going from one place to another place. The third word is humans. Humans is another word for people. So sometimes someone may say people, sometimes someone may say human, but they're talking about the same thing. So we've looked at this before. This is our route. This is our map that shows the route that humans took as they migrated all over the world. So like we talked about before, they started in Africa, and this red line is the route they took, that people took to get all over the world. So they started in Africa, and then they slowly went out into Asia, farther into Asia, south into Australia, north into Europe, and then farther north, and then across into North America, and finally into South America. So this red line is the route that they migrated. So here we have a timeline. So it's a line that shows us time. So we are right here in 2020. That's right now, this part right here. And so if we go back this way, this is when old events happened in the past. That's to the left on the line. Then if we go forward on the line, that's when new events will happen in the future. So 2020 is right now, and if we go back in the past, there was a year 0. And we have a year 0 in history, and people decided it was 0 when Jesus was born. So the year Jesus was born was 0, and then we started going up to 2020. Before 0 and Jesus was born, we go all the way back to 250,000 years, and that was when the early humans lived in Africa. And then we come forward, and the humans are moving until we get to 0, and then we worked up to 2020. So here's all our events. 250,000 years ago, humans were in Africa. 100,000 years ago, humans migrated to Southwest Asia. 60,000 years ago, humans migrated to Australia. 40,000 years ago, humans migrated to Europe. 25,000 years ago, humans migrated to Northern Asia. 15,000 years ago, humans migrated to North America. And 10,000 years ago, humans migrated to South America. So we are going to put all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 events on a timeline. So again, here we are over here at 2020. And if we go backwards, we're getting older. We're going into the past. So we go back, and we had the year 0. That's when Jesus was born. And we keep going back. 10,000 BC, humans were in South America. Farther back, 15,000 BCE, humans were in North America. 25,000 BCE, humans were in Northern Asia. 40,000 humans were in Europe. 60,000 BCE, humans were in Australia. 100,000 BCE, humans were in Southwest Asia. And then finally, the beginning of where humans were found in 250,000 BCE, humans were in Africa. So this is the past. And as we slowly move forward on our timeline, we get to 0 and then now in 2020. So here's the oldest event in the past, and now we're right here, right now. So using what you know, it's time to go answer the review questions in Schoology.